Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial by Interactive Programming, and today we're going to go in depth of Java Swing. So last time we just created a basic app where when we type in our name in the text field and we press a button, it'll just say welcome and whatever name we type, like that. Now, well, I know that it was too straightforward and you guys didn't understand it, and understanding Java is the main point of this series, so we're just going to go through it. Alright, so here we're just creating NetBeans. This is all auto-generated code. I did not write this by hand. That's a good thing. So first of all, it's just telling us that it's in the package UI, just importing what it needs. Alright, and then what it does is it makes the public class main UI, and then in the public main UI it calls the init components. But what's init components? If you go down, and it should be somewhere right here, generated code. If you open that up, private void init components. What it does is basically it just creates all the buttons, all the actions and stuff, so you don't have to worry too much about that. In the main method, so what the class first initially runs, this is just for look and feel. We're going to go into that later when we create our calculator, and we're gonna be creating a calculator next tutorial. And you know what, guys, I just decided to drop making separate videos about operators and then plugging them in. Now on, we're just gonna build a GUI, and when we're building a GUI application, we're just gonna learn it at the same time. So next time we'll just learn about if-else statements, a lot of exception handling, assignment operators, math operators, all that essential stuff that we need in order to completely master Java. So now that I've told you guys about that, there's actually nothing else. This is a very efficient way of creating UI. It's extremely fast. Oh, one more thing I want to show you. Guys, remember how when we create this J option pane code, show message dialog, there's 3. Well, this is the most basic one. This is the one that I usually use. The first component we always set to null. Null means void, 0, empty, whatever you want to call it. Object is basically the information, what it's going to print out. The string is just the title, and the integer is what type of message it is. Let's go ahead and step that in. So always first parameter is null. Second one is what we want to write, so we just want to write welcome, and then class name. Next thing we want to write is just the title, so we're just going to write UI. And then last one requires an integer. We can't just put any integer like 32, right? That's not really going to make sense. So we put J option pane dot, and then you have all these options. It can be a cancel option, closed option, default option. It can be an error message, or it can be an information message, or just a plain message. I'm just going to use information message. Okay, so go ahead and run this. Type name. You see, look, we get the information icon, and we get the UI. I don't know if you guys can see it. We get the UI at the top. So, well, that pretty much wraps up this short tutorial. As I told you guys last time, I'm using a new computer, so let me know what you guys think of the frame rate, the quality, basically the graphics. And I was thinking of doing some Linux how-tos, because Linux is the primary operating system I'm going to be using now. And you know what, it can do some pretty cool stuff. Like, how about this? Look, I just made water droplets, whatever you want to call it. Or, well, what was it? Control Shift S, I believe. No. Or show most thing. Right, so control and all that. I'm sorry, I still don't remember all the commands. I'll just have to look them through. Or how about this? Deforms. And deforms go quite nicely. Let me see. I have a lot of things here. I can show you guys. Let me just open up my compass configuration. Something I really want to show you was, where was it? Right here. Oh shit. Look at that. We can just browse through our applications. It's quite efficient actually. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. I know at the end I just kind of screwed up a bit, but oh well. Alright, so see you guys next time.